Funfinity Learning. Learning is fun and never-ending.
Hi friends, I'm Sarum and welcome to Funfinity Learning, where learning is fun and never-ending. Today we're diving into the letter D. What words do you know that start with D? Maybe dog, dinosaur, donut. Let's join Danny and his daring duck friend as they set off on a desert discovery. This is Danny, a daring and determined dog with a sense of adventure. One day, Danny decided to visit the desert to look for hidden treasures. But Danny wasn't alone. His best friend, Daisy the duck, joined him for the daring discovery. What sound does the letter D make? D, like in dog. Can you say it with me? As Danny and Daisy walked through the desert, they met a friendly dingo named Dexter. "What are you two doing in the desert?" Dexter asked. "We're looking for something special," Danny replied. "Then you'll need to go to the tallest dune," Dexter said, pointing ahead. Do you know what a dingo is? It's a type of wild dog. Can you think of more D words like desert or dare? Together, Danny, Daisy, and Dexter climbed the tall golden dune. The sand felt hot under their feet, but they didn't give up. When they reached the top, they saw something shiny in the distance. What do you think they'll find? Let's keep reading to find out. Danny, Daisy, and Dexter followed the shiny object until they found a big chest hidden under a dusty palm tree. Danny opened it carefully, and inside they found dazzling diamonds and colorful decorations. "We did it!" cheered Danny and Daisy. They shared the treasure with Dexter and celebrated their desert discovery. Wow, Danny, duck, desert, discovery, and dingo. So many D words. What was your favorite part of the story? Thanks for joining me on Danny and the Daring Duck's Desert Discovery. Can you think of 3 D words to share with your family? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Funfinity Learning for more daring stories. See you next time.
Funfinity Learning. Learning is fun and never-ending.